What is the spelling of that? BAGS Munshi. Actually, this is the hint. B for B.R. Ambedkar. A for Alladi Krishnamachari. Alladi Krishnamachari. G for Gopalaswamy Iyengar. What is G for? Gopalaswamy Iyengar. S for Salahuddin. Muhammad Salahuddin. What is S for? Muhammad Salahuddin. K for Krishna Swami. What is K for? Krishna Swami. M for Madhava Rao. What is M for? Madhava Rao. Next, Munshi is nothing but a Munshi only. So what is the main thing I have given in assembly today? Names of a persons who was in the drafting committee. How many persons were in the drafting committee? There are